What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm John the Video Guy. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you a really sleek way to do this in your videos where you can put text behind you. You don't have to worry about masking or rotoscoping. I'm going to show you a new AI technology that came out a few years ago. It's relatively new that you can use to actually key out any of your footage. It does a really good job. And then we're going to dive into Premiere Pro and show you guys how to use it. So if that sounds good to you guys, make sure you hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's begin. So I'm inside Premiere Pro here, and to start off, I'm just going to show you guys what I have. I have text come in, but I want to put this behind me. So the key here is to have your footage ready to go so you can upload it to this software. So I have it in my Finder here. Basically, this will be the footage that we will put in front of my text. So the software we're going to use is called RunwayML, and you might have heard of it from some of my earlier tutorials. This is a really powerful new technology that's coming out where you can do a lot of cool things in. But in this case, what we're going to do is go to upload files, and we're going to upload that file. Once it uploads, we're going to go over to the Create New Project button, and then we're going to click on green screen to kind of give us a base of what we're doing here. Then we're going to click and drag in our new uploaded asset into our tray, and you can see that it's added. Once it loads up, what you're going to do is actually click points of where I am in the image, and it magically creates a mask for us. This is pretty mind-bending stuff here, guys. And you can see it selected this microphone. So say if we didn't want that, what you can do is go over here to the menu and click exclude, and then press to make buttons, and then it will exclude, this microphone here. So you can see on the timeline here, there's that little marker, but if we scrub forward, we can see how it does. And like I said, guys, this is pretty good. It's going to do a lot here, but there's a few points here and there that we might have to add. So just add those back in. Once you're done masking it out, go up to Done Masking, and you will be exited out of the green screen area. Click Off, so nothing's selected, and we're going to change the background color from green, actually. So just click on that and make it black. And then what we're going to do is click on the footage and go over to Effects and Filters, and we're going to scroll down to Fill Color, and then we're going to change it to white. That way we're essentially making a matte. Then go up to your export button. Now, if you have a paid version, you'll be able to export at 1080 or 4K or even ProRes or do a PNG sequence. But in this case, I'm only using the free version. For the most part, guys, the free version works pretty good for what we're doing here. The only difference is you'll notice some soft edges, but for, just putting, text beneath you or behind you, it really works. So in this case, we're going to hit Export Video. Then what you'll want to do is go to the hamburger menu and go back to Projects. And we'll go into the Assets folder. And you can see that it is in progress. Once it is complete, what you can do is click on the three little dots and then click Download, and this will download the file to your hard drive. So we're going to import it to our project by just clicking and dragging into the project panel. Then we're going to double click on it to open it in the source monitor and just drag in the video only on top of everything. Now for now, we're going to hide this. Now it's very important with working with this effect in Premiere Pro, if you have text that animates, you need to nest the sequence first. So you can see how I have just it coming in like that. These are actually keyframed, the position is keyframed in effects controls. So to nest the sequence, I'm going to right click and go to Nest. Then I'm going to just name it Text Nested, and click OK. Alright, so I'm going to unhide the top layer here, and what we're going to do is click on this nested sequence. And we're going to go into the Effects panel, and we're going to search for Track. And you should see Track Matte Key. Click and drag this to the nested sequence or your graphic if you are working with a still graphic. Then up in Effects Controls, what you can do under the effect is change the matte to video 3. That way it's reading video track 3, so it's reading that top video layer. Then change composite using to matte luma, and then click the reverse check mark box. And you'll notice the magicalness has happened here. Like I said, it was 720p, but you know, zooming in and going around, you can hardly tell, especially when you use it in this way. But I do highly recommend RunwayML if you do want to upgrade. It is definitely a good investment. So that's it for this tutorial. If you guys want to see some more text video tutorials, I did make a cool video tutorial going over how to make a cool glitch type of text. I'll link that video right up here. Feel free to go watch that. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.